Lesson 1, Part 1. We began our discussion with looking at the Bohr model and the quantum mechanical model. Scientists once believed the atom looked like this. This is the Bohr model. There's a nucleus in the middle, and around the nucleus you have these energy levels called orbits. These are called orbits. And the electrons go around the orbits in fixed energy. This model has been cancelled. Now we are learning about this model, the quantum mechanical model. These orbits are not here. Here we have clouds. You see this region of space? This is a cloud. You see this region of space? These are clouds. These are called orbitals. This is in the quantum mechanical model. Electrons are found in orbitals. There are 4 different kinds of clouds in the quantum mechanical model. They are called sublevels. Pause the video and take notes. The S cloud is a circle. The P cloud looks like this, like a dumbbell. The D cloud like this, and the F cloud like this. So this means the electron is somewhere here. In the D cloud, the electron is somewhere here. A cloud shows you where the electron is likely to be found. So we have 4 kinds of clouds, S, P, D, F. We call these sublevels. The sublevels come in sizes. You can see this is a circle. So which cloud is a circle? You can go back and look and you can see the S cloud. See this one? The S cloud is a circle. So this is S. Now, this S is small in the first picture. In the second picture, S is big. In the third picture, S is even bigger. This is because this is the first energy level, second energy level, third energy level. So 1S and 2S, the difference between them is 1 is small and 1 is big because 2S is at a higher energy. Now, each sublevel can hold a certain number of electrons because it has something called orbitals. Okay, careful now. Let's start with S. Look here. The S sublevel has 1 orbital. It means 1 space. This is it. 1 space where you can find the electron. This orbital can hold 2 electrons. Now let's look at the P. Make sure you're taking notes. The P sublevel has 3 orbitals, which can hold a total of 6 electrons. 2 electrons can go here, 2 electrons can go here, 2 electrons can go here. That's a total of 6. This is called an orbital. We have 3 orbitals for the P. The D sublevel has 5 orbitals. It can hold 10 electrons. So you remember the D shape I showed you here? Here's the D. Remember this D shape? It comes in 5 different ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each one can hold 2 electrons, total 10. The F sublevel has 7 orbitals, which can hold a total of 14 electrons. Make sure you copy this into your notebook. You can make a table if you like. So, in the first energy level, you see here where it says principal energy level. In the first energy level, we have a very small space. So the only sublevels available in the first level is S. The first level only has S. The second energy level is more big. It has S and it has P. The third energy level is even more big, so it has S and P and D. And the fourth level has S, P, D, F. All right, now let's take a look at the next column here. Number of orbitals. In the first energy level, we have only S. It's asking you number of orbitals. How many orbitals does the S have? Here it is. How many orbitals S has? Just 1. So here it says 1 orbital. And this one can hold 2 electrons. The second energy level has S and P. What's the number of orbitals? The S has 1 orbital and the P has 3 orbitals. So the total number of orbitals is 4. This is in which level? The second energy level. The third energy level, it has S and P and D. So how many orbitals total? S has 1, P has 3, D has 5. So here it says 1, 3, 5. So total is 9. Now you can pause the video and try to answer this question. How many sub-levels are in the second energy level? Remember, what sub-level? It's S, P, D, F. That's what sub-level. So in the second energy level, let's look back at our table here. In the second energy level, what sub-levels do we have? Here's the second energy level. What sub-levels do we have? S and P. So the answer is 2. They are S and P. Pause the video and try to answer this question. How many orbitals are in the second energy level? Second energy level, n equals 2. First level has S. Second level has S and P. How many orbitals does the S have? If you forgot, you can go back to this picture. S has 1 orbital. P has 3 orbitals. Okay, let's go back. So S has 1 orbital and P has 3 orbitals. So how many orbitals total? 4. The answer is 4. Pause the video and try to answer this question. How many electrons can the second energy level hold? Energy level 2 has S and has P. These are the sub-levels. Okay? The S can hold how many electrons total? Go back to your notes here. S sub-level can hold 2 electrons. P sub-level can hold 6 electrons. So the S can hold 2 and the P can hold 6. Total, 8. The answer is 8 electrons. Pause the video and try to answer this question. Give the maximum number of electrons in each. How many electrons can the S hold? We said 2. How many electrons can the P hold? 6. How many electrons can the F hold? 14. Pause this video and try to answer this question. Which of the following designations is invalid? Invalid means not correct, not possible. Which of these is not possible? Okay, let's look at the first one, 2S. 2 means second energy level. So remember, in the first energy level, we have only S. In the second level, we have S and P. So 2S is okay, because in the second level, we have S. Let's look at the next one, 3P. Is it okay? Well, let's check the third energy level. Here's the third energy level. It has S and P and D. So this is okay. Third energy level has P. Let's do the next one. The next one says 2D. Let's check the second energy level. This is second energy level. It has S and P. Is there a D in second level? No. So this one is invalid. Let's just check the last one, 4F. In the fourth energy level, do we have F? Yes, we do. Here it is. So this is okay. The answer is C.